Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before watching the video tutorial, please subscribe the channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find Chrome download default location and also how to change that location. Go to the settings, click three dot line and then from here click settings. Now click downloads and from here you can see the default location. You can, if you want to change, then click change. If you want to change it to other drive, you can also change it to that drive. If you want to change to a folder, then you can also do it. Now, next time you download will be, your file will be downloaded in that location. You can also set the setting out where to save each file before downloading. So select this one. Now, each time when the download is started, you will be asked to whether you want to start downloading or not. So you can also change it again. So in this way you can do. So in this way you can change the default download location and find the download location default. So in this way you can find default download location and then how to change it. If you want to change again to the default, you can also change the setting from here. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.